Moin, hallo, bienvenue and welcome to PJay Plays Games. I hope you have seen our Gamescom special last Sunday, and we are still recovering a bit from that long weekend, but we are also very happy how everything turned out. So there's still one thing that's bothering me, and that is the vanishing of our friend Hinkel. Something is going on, since we haven't seen him as well as Fake Jimmy for a few weeks now. If you have seen him or if you have any clue as to his whereabouts, please send us an email because we really miss him. So that made me realize the last time I really spent time with him was when we played a little Don't Starve together. Since it's impossible to know when or if we will see Hinkel ever again, I decided to put up this footage for everyone to see. I hope you like it. Gentleman scientist. I will conquer it all with the power of my mind. Grows a magnificent beard. I have to take this one. The characters are really funny. But I'm gonna take him. The Wilson.
So I will take. No, not Wilson. The spider.
Okay.
Is a monster
Walk around.
Spiders grows a silky smooth beard. Select.
Do you really think it's good that we start just like this without doing a tutorial or something?
Yes. So first we have to make sure we can make a campfire. Drag and drop from your inventory.
Examine Hinkel. It's Hinkel. It's the
We need fire.
Yeah.
Grass and logs. We need logs. So chop down wood. You, by the way, you can hold the space bar
okay.
to perform it. Oh, yes.
Can we kill the birds? So is it getting dark now?
Yep. Ha! Campfire. So when it's dark, we are losing sanity. That's the brain icon. And when you lose sanity, you start seeing hallucinations and stuff. And I don't know what actually will happen. You can...
Oh, what? They're penguins. Are they... What?
Don't attack them.
Okay.
Well, you can try, but I think they kill you on the spot. And you can use your... No! You can use your logs as fuel for the fire.
Okay. You just drag and drop them on it. Ah, they are sleeping. No! Did you attack them? Why did you do that?
They are super strong. I'm down to...
Go for the eyes, okay? Okay, they are sleeping again. They fell asleep while I hit them. Seems I am very, very powerful.
Day 2. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, logs. Oh, it's snowing.
Yeah, we started in winter. That's perhaps the most crappy situation to start in. Yeah, I'm dying soon. I'm down to 29 health. Fire's going out.
Oh, I am pretty much dead.
Oh man.
I can't do shit.
I have a pickaxe.
Awesome. So,
So cut grass, twigs.
I'm gonna die soon.
Why?
I don't know, because I have no more health.
I guess we have to start a new game soon. The science machine unlocks new crafting recipes. Alchemy engine unlock even more crafting recipes. Electrical doodad, science array. Thermal measurer measures ambient air temperature. Rainometer, okay. Lightning rod protects from strikes. A grass suit.
Yeah, I'm going to build a grass suit. It seems like. Oh, but I can't go anywhere because I'm too cold. Yeah, hidden shot. It's tryout Wednesday. We have to try something we don't know.
Survival.
Today it's don't starve together.
Trap, bird trap, bug net, fishing rod, Porsche, portable protection, umbrella, healing salve, disinfectant for cars and vibrations.
There's no more grass there. I need grass. I need a suit.
How about we start a new game?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's wait at least until it's day again. So.
Okay, so if you die, you become a ghost.
Ah,
And as a
okay.
ghost,
You should pick up the axe while they are sleeping. But I don't see nothing.
I can help you out with that. Dum-dum-dum.
Yeah, awesome.
They are nice. So I basically wasted the campfire.
I don't see any axe.
Check this out.
Ah, there's one. Ah, you can kick them around. No, don't attack them.
Well, I need some action. Oh man.
Whoa, did it kill you?
Yes.
Crazy. Okay. Haha! I killed a penguin! Hinkel must have died performing an important experiment. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. I'm too cold. I'm going to die now.
Yes.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The fire is out anyway.
How the ashes, they fall.
Everyone's dead.
Well, that was it. Hinkel man, if you see this, please give us a sign. We really hope to see you again soon. As for the rest of you, if you enjoyed this video and our channel in general, please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for tons of good stuff coming in the next weeks. So, that brings me to the end of this video and I say Adi, tschüss, à bientôt and goodbye. See you next week. Bye.
Thank you.